Hi everyone, and congratulations, because if you are watching this video, that should mean that you have finished your final project of the year. So let's go ahead and talk about how we want you to submit. So in the week 7 folder, the financial literacy project folder, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you're going to click the link that says financial literacy project rubric. And it's going to take you to a page where it's going to show you what you are going to be graded on for this project. Now, I've been playing around with this, and so it says my assignment is already submitted, but what you are going to do, you're going to see a button right here. It's going to say submit. You're going to click on that. You're going to go to create. Now what you're going to do, you're going to go back to your project that you have completed. You are going to click the share button. You're going to copy the link, and you're going to go back into Schoology, and you're going to paste that link under the create tab. Now, after you click submit, that is going to send it to your teachers, and you are going to be graded on your project. Now, this is also very important. You see how it says resubmit? So we are going to be giving you feedback on your project in the however your teacher decides to do that. And if you need to make another submission to make your grade a little bit higher, you're going to come back here and you're going to resubmit the assignment by doing exactly what we just went through. The create tab, pasting your link of the revised project, and submit. Now, again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. We are more than happy to help you. That should be it. Bye, guys.